Yes.
The text of James Joyce. The very first line. Once upon a time, and a very good time it was, there was macaw coming down along the road, and this macaw that was coming down along the road met Nissan's little boy named Baby Tucker. His father told him that story. His father looked at him through a glass. He had a hairy face. He was Baby Tucker. The macaw came down the road, and where Betty Ban lived, she told Lemon Pat, "Oh, the wild rose blossoms on the little green place." He sang the song that was his song. "Oh, the green mulch bushes, when you wet the bed, first it is warm, then it gets cold." When you urinate on the bed as a child, first it's warm, then cold. He has the feelings, nostalgic feelings of his childhood. When on bed, he urinates on bed. First it's warm, then cold. And I think so. This now I'm feeling this. I am recalling my own memories. I was thinking that yes, I know these feelings. This is everyone. Everyone knows these feelings, these sensitivity. I think everyone. Yes. When you wet the bed first, it is warm, then it gets cold. His mother put on oil sheet that had a cool smell. His mother had a nicer smell than his father. His mother had a nicer smell than his father. She played on the piano and sailor's hornpipe for him to dance. He danced. His mother had a nicer smell than his father. She played on the piano and a sailor's hornpipe for him to dance. He danced. Tra-la-la, la-la, tra-la-la, tra-la-da, tra-la-da, tra-la-la, la-la, tra-la-la, la-la. Uncle Charles and Dante clapped. They were old, and his father and mother, but Uncle Charles was old and Dante. Dante had two brushes in her purse. The brush with the maroon velvet back was for Michael David, and the brush with the green velvet back was for Parnell. Dante gave him a catch every time he brought her a piece of tissue paper. Anji, I'm just reading the text of Portrait of an Artist as a Young Man. Just listen it and keep quiet. From the middle I have selected some peaks, and there is something. A glow of desire kindled again his soul, and fired and fulfilled all his body. Conscious of his desire, she was waking from odious sleep, the tempest of his villainy. Her eyes, dark with a look of languor, were opening to his eyes. His nakedness yielded to him, radiant, warm, obvious, and lavish-limbed, enfolded him like a shining cloud, enfolded him like water with a liquid life, and like a cloud, a vapor, or like water circumfluent in space, liquid letters of speech Symbols of element of mystery followed from forth over his brain. They are important lines selected. I have selected them. That is page number 254. You have to match these lines where from these are. They are about a stream of consciousness bit, and they are about epiphany. These are very beautiful lines. These are. I don't know that to whom he is watching. He is saying that I am watching her in my eyes. Again, may I read it? Are you feeling bored? No. A glow of desire kindled again his soul, and fired and fulfilled all his body. Conscious of his desire, she was waking from odious sleep. लड़की ऐसे ठहरी हुई थी जैसे वो किसी नशे के अंदर मखमूर हो, और उस स्मेल वाले नशे में, जैसे कोई चीज नशा स्मेल करा दिया गया हो, और उसके अंदर से वो वेक जाग रही हो, वो स्मेल वाले नशे में मखमूर होकर उसके बाद फिर दोबारा जाग रही हो. She was waking from odious smell, odious sleep, the temptress of his will, her eyes dark with a look of languor were opening to his eyes. उसकी आंखें मेरी आंखों में खुल रही, लड़की की आंखें जेम्स की आंखों के अंदर खुल रही थी. What type of feelings these are? Her nakedness yielded to him, and when she was nude, yielded to him. Now she was producing something in him, or she was making her to come to the edge of surrender. Radiant, warm, odorous, lavish-limbed, enfolded him like a shining cloud. She enfolded him like a shining cloud. Enfolded him like water with a liquid life. Enfolded him like a water round the liquid life, like a liquid life. She enfolded him, and like a cloud of vapor, or like waters circumfluent in space the liquid letters of speech, as the liquid letters of speech are revolving around him, falling on him. जैसे पानी के छोटे छोटे अल्फाज उसके ऊपर गिर रहे हों, पानी के छोटे छोटे लेटर्स, X, Y, Z, U, I, V. Liquid water. What is this going? That is epiphany. कि liquid water की, अल्फाज water की तरह. Very twinkling, very cool, very easy, very pleasant. She was like a cloud. How he is feeling? She is radiant. You have to check these things. The book is full of these things. Symbols of element of mystery flowed forth over his brain. Mystery, element of mystery, flowed forth over his brain. Water, cloud, and symbol, and these all letters of water, liquid, these all things are flowing on his mind, falling on his mind, over his mind. Now after this he is writing maybe something. This is a lyric. Are you not weary of ardent ways, lure of fallen seraphim? Tell no more of enchanted days. Your eyes have set man's heart ablaze, and you have had your will of him. Are you not weary of ardent? I will not worry of ardent ways. Above the flame, the smoke of praise goes up from ocean rim to rim. Tell no more of enchanted days. Our broken cries and mournful lays rise in one acrostic hymn. Are you not weary of ardent ways, while sacrificing hymns apprise the chalice flowing to him the brim? Tell no more of enchanted days, and still you hold our longing agaze with a languorous look and lavish limb. Are you not weary of ardent ways? Tell no more of enchanted days. Now I'm going to read the last paragraph of the book. बस समझे बुक खत्म हो गई आज मैंने बुक खत्म कर दिखा दी. ये ना कहें कि सर ने कभी टेक्स्ट ही नहीं पढ़ाया. आज टेक्स्ट ही पढ़ा दिए. करतब सारे दिखा दिए. सारे टेक्स्ट पढ़ा दिए. उस्ताद हमारे उस्ताद हुआ करते थे. आप कहेंगे उस्ताद 10 मिनट में पूरी टेक्स्ट पढ़ा देते थे. जहाँ खोलते वहीं इंपॉर्टेंट चीज़ निशान भी साथ लगा देते. ये शुरू हुए यूँ मेडिटेशन में गए, यूँ रूहानी तौर पर उन्होंने चीज़ें पोर की. ये एंड जाओ बच्चों घर पास हो. So the last paragraph, the spell of alms and vices. Now are you listening carefully? Girls, listen carefully. The spell of alms and vices, the white arms of roots. Aye. What he is saying. The spell of alms and voices. आवाज़ों की और बाजुओं के जादू. The white arms of roots. Roots के सफ़ेद बाजू. The promise of close embrace and the black arms of tall ships that stand against them, the rail of distant nations. They are held out to say, we are alone come, and the voices say with them, we are your kinsmen, and the air is thick with their company as they call to me. Their kinsmen, making ready to go, are shaking the wings to their exultant and terrible youth. April 26. Mother is putting my new second-hand clothes in order. She prays now, she says, that I may learn in my own life and away from home and friends what the heart is and what it feels. Amen. So be it. Welcome, O life. I go to encounter for the millionth time the reality of experience and to forge in the smithy of my soul the uncreated conscience of my race. April 27. Old father, old artificer, stand me now and ever in good stead. Dublin, 1904. Tracet, 1914. Finish. That was in my mind, like, but not. I think artificer is. No, that is not in my mind now. Yes. वो कौन है? Hello? Hello? कौन? फोन कोई है या कोई रहा है? ये क्या हो रहा है भाई? हेलो वालेकुम अस्सलाम. कौन? अलमास. हाँ जी. हाँ वही दे दिए लेकिन मैंने अभी देखे नहीं है. वो मेरे पास रखे हुए हैं तो उसको फोटो शेयर कराते हैं. किसको भेजेंगे? लेकिन वो ऐसा स्टूडेंट होना चाहिए जो लेकर भाग ना जाए बल्कि फोटो शेयर करा के हमें वापस भी करे. ठीक है. कौन सा स्टूडेंट भेजेंगे? रिलायबल होना चाहिए. नहीं आप खुद क्यों नहीं आ जाते? खुद ही आ जाएं. ओके. हेलो जेम्स जॉयस का the portrait of the artist as a young man. हम read कर रहे हैं. No, today will be the discussion. A lot of discussion will be over there. You will listen it carefully. Okay. There are basically two questions which are important. One is epiphany and the second one is aesthetic theory. Baji, aesthetic theory. We have made a lot of debate about it, and the students have also gathered a lot of material about it. They have such net as well as they have such library as well as they have yes, yes.
इसके मैंने ना ये आपके बुक से इसकी पढ़ी है सारी.
Okay, right.
मैंने इसके पॉइंट्स वगैरह बनाए हैं. तो ये जो चैप्टर 5 है ना, इसमें इन्होंने एस्थेटिक थ्योरी का यानी डिटेल दिया हुआ है, पॉइंट्स दिए हुए हैं. लेकिन मुझे एक्चुअली इसकी ना थोड़ा सा मैं चाहती थी कि आप इसको थोड़ा सा एलेबोरेट कर दें.
Right. Without taking any fourth state, will you understand it? Should I convey the idea?
वो आप यानी आइडिया आज दे देंगे ना, तो कल मैंने वो समरी से आज की यानी पॉइंट्स बनाए हुए हैं, तो मैं सबको.
Okay, that's very right. She will give you the cream of everything. You have to participate in the discussion.
क्वेश्चंस भी मैं कोशिश करूँगी क्वेश्चंस भी बना दूँ.
Okay. But don't give them the proper questions because that will be not beneficial for them because they are not going to memorize them. You make always point. Have you seen in part second I have made only points. First of all you were surprised that what is this, sir, there is no questions. Now you come to the same point. The points are important, not the paragraphs or not the questions are important.
तो पेपर में पॉइंट्स ही पढ़ जाते हैं.
Yes, definitely.
टाइम ही नहीं होता अपना पढ़ने का.
If you have the 7 or, and the points 7 or 8, 10 and very short, not too long, no long points are needed. Very short.
एक बात तो ये है कि इसके जितने भी इसमें जो थ्योरी दी है ना, जितने इसके चैप्टर्स है ना, उसमें एक बात तो ये नजर आई है कि जो स्टीफन है ना, वो यानी कि खुद उसको दिखाया नहीं गया कि वो करैक्टर है और सारा कुछ उसके साथ हो रहा है. ये असल में वो खुद जो है ना रिकॉल कर रहा है ये सारी चीज़ें अपनी, यानी कि बचपन को रिकॉल किया, फिर उसने अपने स्कूल लेवल को रिकॉल किया, फिर यूनिवर्सिटी को सारा तो उसने रिकॉल किया है. लेकिन ये राइटर ने खुद ये कंफर्म नहीं किया कि वो स्टीफन कहाँ बैठा हुआ और ये क्या कर रहा है, ये सब कुछ वो अपनी डायरी में लिख रहा है या नहीं लिख रहा, ये चीज़ भी कंफर्म नहीं है. तो ये थोड़ा सा मैंने आपसे पूछा.
सवाल ये है कि क्या उसे कंफर्म करने की ज़रूरत भी है. Has he not conveyed the central idea which he want to convey? Is it necessary that there must be some technique?
जरूरी तो नहीं है, लेकिन मैं भी शायद इसका टेक्निक से भी ताल्लुक है.
हाँ, मैं कहता हूँ कि अब ये सवाल ये है कि क्या इसके लिए प्रॉपर टेक्निक होनी चाहिए या जब भी कोई लिखने बैठे तो खुला लिखे.
तो इसका मतलब एक्शन भी नहीं है नोवेल.
हाँ, एक्शन
मेमोरी हुई ना, कॉलिंग हुई सारी.
तो एक्शन का
असल में राइटर का फोकस जो है वो इसके ऊपर है ना, स्ट्रीम ऑफ कॉन्शियसनेस के ऊपर है, तो इस वजह से फिर
स्ट्रीम ऑफ कॉन्शियसनेस पे, स्ट्रीम ऑफ कॉन्शियसनेस के ऊपर भी अगर है तो यूँ नहीं है कि वो 100% स्ट्रीम ऑफ कॉन्शियसनेस को ही लेकर बैठ गया है. एपिफेनी भी हुई है. ही हैज मेड अ मिक्सचर बट दैट इज वेरी नेचुरल मिक्सचर. अब आपने मॉडर्न राइटर जितने भी हैं, आपने कैंडिडेट को पढ़ा था, where from he has started his story. There is no sequence, proper sequence. We are feeling that 3 people are sitting over there, and after that the 2-1 were over there. Oh my God, yeah. मेरे ख्याल में डिस्कशन है तो इसकी जरूरत नहीं है. चलो खोलना तो इधर रख दो, ये ऊपर रख दो ऊपर रख दो. ओके, नेक्स्ट पॉइंट की तरफ आए. ये चीज़ें तो हम
सर ये बात है कि जो यानी चैप्टर 5 जो है यहाँ से स्टार्ट होता है कि वो यूनिवर्सिटी में है, ठीक है, और अब वो मैच्योर हो चुका है और वो अपने जो डीन है एक यूनिवर्सिटी का, उससे डिस्कशन कर रहा है आर्ट के ऊपर, और उसने अपनी थ्योरी एक दी है एस्थेटिक थ्योरी, यानी उसने कहा है कि मैं इसको मानता हूँ. यानी वो डीन से गुफ्तगू कर रहा होता है और वो उसको कहता है कि यानी खूबसूरत चीज़ वो है, आर्ट वो है कि कोई खूबसूरत चीज़ को तख्लीक किया जाए. तो डीन उसको कहता है कि तुम खूबसूरती किसको लेते हो, तुम्हारे मामले में क्या, यानी कि तुम क्या लेते हो, खूबसूरत चीज़ क्या है. तो वो ये कहता है कि खूबसूरत चीज़ वो है कि जिसको हम जिसकी परसेप्शन जो है ना वो हमें खुशी दे, लज्जत दे, वो चीज़ खूबसूरत होती है. ये उसने बात की. उसके बाद वो कुछ पॉइंट्स देता है कि यानी मेरे मुताबिक एस्थेटिक थ्योरी से वो ये इन्फ्लुएंस्ड था ये सेंट एक्विनस से, यानी कि उसने कुछ एस्थेटिसिज्म के बारे में कॉन्सेप्ट दिया था, उससे ये इन्फ्लुएंस था. तो उससे इन्फ्लुएंस्ड होकर उसने कुछ पॉइंट्स बनाए थे एस्थेटिक थ्योरी के ऊपर, तो वो यानी यहाँ से जो है ना ये लिखे हुए।
अच्छा, ये इसने पॉइंट बनाए हैं एस्थेटिक थ्योरी से, जो उसने
यदि वो इन्फ्लुएंस्ड था एक्विनस से, और उसने कहा कि मेरे में इससे इन्फ्लुएंस्ड हूँ और इसके मुताबिक जो है ना मैं यानी कि इससे इन्फ्लुएंस्ड हो गया एस्थेटिक थ्योरी का कॉन्सेप्ट भी है।
नाउ Stephen's aesthetic theory as influenced by the saint Aquinas. अच्छा, अलमास आ गई। अलमास वो लेकर आपने चले नहीं जाना,
सर मैं भाई को देती हूँ, वो फोटो कॉपी करा के आपको वापस दे देंगे,
क्योंकि और बच्चे बहुत सारे हैं जिन्होंने मुझे कहा हुआ है उनको देना है।